Hi, today we're going to talk about HCM and talent management review periods. In this video, you'll learn how to navigate to review period section, how to edit or create a review period, and what review periods are used for and where they're used. Let's log into our instance, and we're going to go to My Client Groups, and I'm clicking on Goals. Now, there are a lot of different ways to get to this page. And you may have renamed this Goals tab something different. But when I click on Goals, you'll notice that it comes to the Goals page and it says, what do you want to do or manage at the top? I'm going to go ahead and click on Review Periods. Review Periods is actually a very simple task, and it is used in multiple different sections, such as performance templates, goal plans, etc. So this is one of the very first things you have to make when you are implementing a new talent or performance process. You always want to do review periods first. So when I go to review periods, I can see there's one already made. This is named for my 2021 annual cycle. If I click on it, you'll notice that the name is editable. There's also a description and the status is active. I can inactivate the status, but you'll notice that my period start date and my period end date are static and they cannot be edited. These dates are specific to your period. So if your review period is from October through September, then you would make sure to put October 1st, 2021 through September 30th, 2022, and then save and close. You only have to do these as frequently as you create new performance documents. So most of you will actually only do this once a year. So the next time I have to create my new review period, maybe I need to create the 2022 annual cycle. I can click Create Review Period. I add a name, description, and then I put my two dates in, click Save and Close. That's it. It's actually a very easy task. However, this specific review period functionality gets used in a lot of different pieces of the performance management cycle. So remember, this is one of the very first things you're going to want to do. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more talent management videos as we talk through goal plans and performance management.